Hi there, Emmanuel here, and you probably found this video because you're looking into this Pockets. You're looking for a Pockets review, or maybe you're just doing your research. You're just seeing if this is for you. You've heard about it and you think, can I use it? Can I use it to make a little bit of money or something like that? Alright, so I am going to go into that in a second, but if you're not already a subscriber to the channel, then please just take a second. Just hit that subscribe button below. Also, remember to tick on the bell icon, so that anytime I do release a new video, you won't miss out. You'll be notified about it, and I'm doing that regularly. Any products I find that I think are worth a review, any tips, any tricks, anything I think is potentially going to help you with your marketing, I'm putting a video out there. So make sure you don't miss out on that and hit that subscribe button below. If you also want to get access to my it's a free 4-part affiliate marketing video course that will teach you like the essentials, the basics of affiliate marketing. Yeah, if you're interested in that, again, I'll leave a link below this video. You can click on that, get completely free access to that 4-part affiliate marketing video course. Okay, so let's get started. Pockets. Alright, so this is a product, potentially, why it came to my interest is because it's about YouTube and it's about YouTube marketing, and that's my sort of field. So I thought, oh, let me have a look at this. Yeah, it is a Warrior Plus product, and so whenever I see Warrior Plus products, especially software products, I get a little, because it's very, usually very newbie centered. And especially the two guys that are doing it as well. So anyway, let's go through their page. It says here, Pockets, free traffic, no computer paydays. Sean, which is one of the promoters, banks $517 online every day without a computer using free traffic and no website. And now it's your turn. Okay, already you can hear this language, basically you do nothing and you're going to make loads of money. Brand new done for you money making system, no email list needed, even though they've probably got an email list, no website needed. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, you probably don't need a website. When you're promoting other people's products, you usually send them to their website, so you don't need your own website, I suppose. No computer needed. They say you can do it on your phone. It's an app. From the research I done, the app doesn't work great on the phone, so, it is what it is. Most people are using it on a computer. You can do this from anywhere. Yep, this does not involve cold calling. Free traffic, getting app. Not so sure about that. We'll have a look at that. And then 0 to 517 in 24 hours, case study included for free. Okay, again, I'll tell you what I think about that in a minute. So here we have the incomes all over the place. Always, this guy supposedly banked while he was out to lunch on a Tuesday, $754. Maybe he did bank it, but did he bank it using this? I'm not so sure. This is probably affiliate commissions. And then these two guys, step 1, log into your Pocket. Step 2, activate the free traffic. And step 3, money starts coming in, starts rolling in. You don't need an email. You don't need a ton of online experience. You don't need anything really. You don't need any money apart from buying this product, and then you're good to go. And so these two guys who are basically, they are serial product producers. Almost every month they're bringing out a product. And where they make their money, let's be honest, where they really make their money is from the sale of the products. They've got affiliates out there that sell the products, and that's how they make their money, because they'll share it 50-50. Yeah? And then on all the upsells that they have with their products as well. Even though they're saying here that they're going to have a case study that's going to show you about it, and I'm going to go through that in a minute. The case study that he's doing, what the income he's showing is from his affiliate commissions, from other people selling these products of theirs, not from using this software. But what this software does in essence, what it says it does is you can put in whatever niche you're in, you put in a keyword. So let's just say weight loss, just to make it easier. It will go out there and find videos in that niche that are ranking. So then now, you can download those videos and then upload them onto your channel and change the thumbnail and then put your links on this video, or underneath this video. Now, that's spam. Unless you've got permission to do that, you're now spamming. You're nicking other people's videos, uploading them onto your channel, changing thumbnails and changing links. Now, some videos you do have permission to do that. There's something called Creative Commons, but not a lot. Do you know what I mean? Not a lot. And so even with the Creative Commons, you want to be careful, because some people do that. They kind of ethically steal other people's videos, and then they put it up as a Creative Commons, and then they let other people download it. But this one's not even telling you to do that. It's telling you to just go and nick anybody's video and upload it to your channel. That's spam. You could potentially get in a lot of problems with this. You could potentially get your channel shut down. You know, so you want to be really, really careful with this sort of stuff, you know. Creative Commons, if it's got Creative Commons and you potentially have contacted the owner of the video, who then says to you, yeah, you can use my video, then yeah, upload it to your channel. But, you know, going to steal copyrighted videos and putting them on your channel and changing thumbnails and changing links, I personally would never do that, because you get yourself in a lot of problems with this sort of stuff, you know. So the software, that's basically what it does. It goes and finds you these videos. You have the keywords, you can use their tags, you can use their descriptions. I mean, it does do some stuff on Facebook, on YouTube Live as well, and that's good, because YouTube Live is great. But you need to have 1,000 subscribers to your channel before you can use YouTube Live. So for a brand newbie with a brand new channel, you know, part of that is not even usable. Is when you grow your channel a little bit, then yeah, maybe you can use it, you know. And then let's go to the case study. So he says he's gone on and done a search, and he's found there's a product called Jacked. It's another Warrior Plus product. He's found it, and he's put it on his site. This is what the case study is about. This video. He says he's done it. He's downloaded it, uploaded it to his channel, and here it is. And now he's saying this is what's getting him $500 odd a day. He's got 2,000 views here, but then look at this. There isn't even a link underneath this video, yeah? He's got 2,000 views, which he got in like 2 days, right? And, you know, these views are bought, I reckon, yeah? And there's no link. So how does he make money from this video then? Where's he sending people to make the money? Yeah, because he's saying he's making 517 online, and this is the case study. It's, just be careful. Where they're making money, like I said, is from affiliate sales. They're not making it from the actual piece of software that they're selling you. Yes, and you, if you want to build my opinion, my thing is, if you're going to build a YouTube channel, take your time to build a YouTube channel. Even if this did work, you would have this YouTube channel with loads of other people's videos on there. There'd be no congruency. People wouldn't get to know you, even if it's just your voice. If you don't want to put your face on video, which you should learn to do anyway, just your voice, people will get to know you, and then you can start to send people to wherever you want to send them. But this sort of stuff, I'd be very careful. Me personally, I would never use something like this, because it's spam. You end up getting your channel shut down. It costs $19. So if you want to have a look at it, that's fine. And they say they're going to give you a money back guarantee. Again, these two guys are notoriously bad for getting your money back. Their customer support is really bad from what I've heard. And a lot of people, I've been emailed a couple of times who people thought I was Sean, and they were saying to me they want their money back. So just be mindful. That's all I'm saying. Right. So $19 is how much it costs. You have 5 upsells. The upsell number 1 is the done for you system, which is $37. Upsell number 2 is something called automation, which is $197. Upsell 3 is 100x edition, which is another $47. Upsell 4 is super affiliate edition, which is $67. And upsell 5 is license rights to sell this and make commission on all of these upsells, which is $77, which if you feel ethically right about doing it, that's probably the best thing to do. But me personally, I can't endorse this, but it's up to you whether you want to get it. I haven't personally used it. I'm just letting you know my own personal experience. So don't people put in the comments that, oh, I'm making money from it and you don't know what you're talking about. That's fair enough. But I'm just most newbies will not be able to make this work. And this, if you just have a look at the actual people that are selling it. Yeah, all of these affiliates here, none of them are using that piece of software. They're all doing their own channels. So if they personally are not doing it, why then should you as a newbie start doing it? Because these are the people that are making money from it, and they're not doing it. They're building their own channels. So it's up to you. It's $19. You know, me personally, like I said, it's not something for me, but $19, it's called Pockets, you know, so if you want to have a look at it for yourself, it's not a lot to lose if $19. And maybe the best bit about this, I think, is probably the YouTube Live stuff, which you can learn. Maybe you get a bit of training on that, you know. But, you know, that's my opinion on it. You know, why I'm kind of a bit passionate about these things is because I initially, when I was first started marketing, I got sort of seduced by this kind of shiny object stuff that I basically do no work. I get free traffic and I get tons and tons of money, $500 every day doing nothing, basically. You know what I mean? Letting everybody else do all the hard work. And obviously it didn't work. I got so confused. I was trying everything. I tried this traffic strategy, network marketing, this, that. I was buying all of these types of products, and just really, eventually it was just too much for me, and I gave it all up. You know, but I was just lucky. In that time, I was really lucky. I met 2 mentors that actually taught me the basics of affiliate marketing. They taught me about traffic, turning traffic to leads and turning leads into sales, and doing that on a consistent basis. You know, so that's why I went ahead and I put together this 4-part affiliate marketing course that will teach you to do the same, to go from where you are now to a place where you are getting traffic, to a place where you are getting leads, to a place where you are getting sales. You know, so like I said, if that's something that may be of interest to you, I'm going to leave a link below this video. You can click on that. You get completely free access to it. It's a 4-part affiliate marketing video course. You know, but either way, I hope you got some value from this. If you did, please take a second, just give it a thumbs up. Also share it with anyone else you think might get some value from it as well. If you do have any comments, anything you do want to say, then please just leave it in the comments box below. Alright, once again, thanks for listening. Until next time, you take care, and I'll speak to you soon. All the best. Take care.